Don't know.
No, I'm seeing the timing, bro.
We have freedom of speech with some limitations, no lying under oath or false accusations. Right to express yourself without interference. You can say your thoughts and your feelings and opinions. Freedom of speech, yeah, that's what it is. No endangering others with false words. Now with the press, we got freedom there too. Can express yourself through publication. You can print all the stories you want, but remember you gotta prove it if you don't wanna risk getting in trouble with the government. Yeah, a fact is the truth, so don't make up no lies. You can expose the government without getting fined.
Now for religion, this practice is allowed in any state, county, city, or town. You can pray on the street, in your home, or in store. The government shall make no laws against or for any religion. If they do, it will be discrimination. However, in school you can teach about religion and read about a Bible for your culture, for your education. This is part of the First Amendment, so don't forget. Freedom of speech, religion, and press.